Which of these musical instruments was famously played by Johann Sebastian Bach during the Baroque era? Organ, flute, violin, saxophone. The correct answer is organ. What is the capital city of Estonia? Tallinn, Baku, Malabo, Beirut. The correct answer is Tallinn. Which of these is a nickname for the U.S. state of Minnesota? The land of 9,000 lakes, Beehive State, Mountain State, Centennial State. The correct answer is the land of 9,000 lakes. Who wrote the novel Wuthering Heights? Emily Brontë, Charlotte Brontë, Mary Shelley, Jane Austen. The correct answer is Emily Brontë. Who was the god of mummification in ancient Egyptian mythology? Set, Osiris, Anubis, Thoth. The correct answer is Anubis. The Sagrada Familia in Barcelona was designed by Antoni Gaudí, Oscar Niemeyer, Louis Sullivan, Walter Gropius. The correct answer is Antoni Gaudí. Who was the first African American to win an Oscar for Best Actor? Denzel Washington, Sidney Poitier, Morgan Freeman, Will Smith. The correct answer is Sidney Poitier. Who hosted the most Academy Award ceremonies? Bob Hope, Billy Crystal, Ellen DeGeneres, Steve Martin. The correct answer is Bob Hope. How many toes are typically associated with Bigfoot's footprints? 2, 4, 5, 8. The correct answer is 5. Cadmium is commonly used as a component in which metal alloy? Stainless steel, solder, bronze, brass. The correct answer is solder. What is the capital city of Eritrea, a country located on the Red Sea? Asmara, Cairo, Baku, Beirut. The correct answer is Asmara. What is the title of the autobiography written by physicist Stephen Hawking? My Brief History, Not Dead Yet, The Memoir, Living History, Let's Face It. The correct answer is My Brief History. What is the name of Chevrolet's all-electric car model? Bolt, Volt, Spark, Cruise. The correct answer is Bolt. During which period was the Hagia Sophia converted into a mosque? 10th century, 12th century, 15th century, 17th century. The correct answer is 15th century. Emeralds were historically believed to possess which powers? Enhancing intuition, bringing good fortune, healing diseases, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Which famous Swiss railway offers panoramic views of the Eiger Mountain? Glacier Express, Bernina Express, Jungfrau Railway, Gotthard Panorama Express. The correct answer is Jungfrau Railway. Which of the following is a famous coral reef system in the Indian Ocean? Great Barrier Reef, Mesoamerican Barrier Reef, Chagos Archipelago, Maldives Reef. The correct answer is Maldives Reef. The Pulitzer Prize for Poetry is awarded to novelists who excel in writing poetry, poets who have published a collection of poems, songwriters who write socially conscious lyrics, playwrights who incorporate poetic language. The correct answer is poets who have published a collection of poems. How long is an average dachi? 60 to 80 centimeters, 100 to 120 centimeters, 150 to 180 centimeters, over 250 centimeters. The correct answer is 150 to 180 centimeters. The Ring of Fire is characterized by a large number of volcanoes, earthquakes, tornadoes, hurricanes. The correct answer is volcanoes. How do you say Santa Claus in Icelandic? Santa Claus, Jólasvein, Sinterklaas, Jólagubben. The correct answer is Jólasvein. What is the capital city of Equatorial Guinea, a country on the west coast of Africa? Malabo, Beirut, Cairo, Baku. The correct answer is Malabo. Who wrote the novel 1984? George Orwell, Aldous Huxley, Ray Bradbury, Margaret Atwood. The correct answer is George Orwell. How long do mammatus clouds typically last? A few seconds, a few minutes, a few hours, a few days. The correct answer is a few minutes. What is the name of the Braille code used for mathematics and science? Nemeth code, Morse code, Braille music code, Moon type. The correct answer is Nemeth code. How do you say hello in Swedish? Hola, bonjour, hey, konnichiwa. The correct answer is hey. The Pacific Ocean is associated with the Ring of Fire. What does this term refer to? A region of high volcanic activity, a region prone to tsunamis, a region with frequent earthquakes, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. What was the symbol of Hadad's power in ancient mythology? The sun, the moon, the thunderbolt, fire. The correct answer is the thunderbolt. In the HSV color model, what does value represent? The brightness of a color, the intensity of a color, the color itself, the purity of a color. The correct answer is the brightness of a color. Which US military operation brought former Nazi scientists to America? Operation Neptune, Operation Paperclip, Operation Torch, Operation Overlord. The correct answer is Operation Paperclip.